Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. This is my Hyundai Creta. I am in Uttarakhand right now. Not very far from my native village. We travelled here from Delhi today and we are going to visit a local temple over here. It's quite famous amongst the natives. It's called the Danda Nagraja, and I'm going to let this rest of the video just be a raw video of the climb. I may not talk much in it, but you'll get to see the view. The car is a petrol automatic. I have put it in manual mode right now. We are climbing in the second gear. Maybe you'd be getting a lot of glare because the sun is in front of us. I apologize for that. Maybe we'll do a better video next time. Let's try third. So we are in the third now. This is a pretty isolated stretch of road, so I don't expect any vehicles coming from front. Although, never be too callous about it, because you know, if something really does come up from front and if you're not prepared for it, you won't be able to brake or signal in time. So be cautious when driving in an area like this. Okay, we're still in third, climbing. So the temple is at the top of the mountain. This winding road is going to take us there. I've only been to the temple, I think once or twice in my life. When I was a kid, we trekked up to the temple from a nearby village, but that's about it, because again, you know, I'm not a regular here. I last visited my village sometime in November, only for a day, and before that I hadn't come here for almost 2 decades. Okay, third. Second seems to be revving too high when we are picking up speed, about 50 kilometers an hour. Third is very comfortable like this. The GoPro is also going to run out, so I don't know how long this clip is going to last. Second, because a turn is approaching. I want more control, yes. Alright, third now. ये कौन सा गांव है? कुछ पता है?
ये बिजलान जी का।
इसका नाम क्या है गांव का?
पिपला कोटी।
पिपला गुटी। कोटी कोटी। पिपला कोटी विलेज। हमारा गांव कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
About 60 kilometers.
So our village is about 60 kilometers away. Once we are done visiting the temple, because my father really wanted to visit today. Not me, I'm not a religious person at all, I'm an atheist. Although, when it comes to adventure, I'm all for it. So this is the only vehicle we've seen on this road. We had to climb down a mountain and now we're climbing up another mountain. This is the only other vehicle I've seen. Okay, I did not expect this turn to be this sharp. Second. Alright, tarmac has given way to this not loose but tight gravel road. And the Creta does just fine over here. I mean, you don't need 4x4 over here for something like this. Maybe, you know, if it turns completely slush during the monsoon, which is about to arrive soon, maybe then, yeah, but not now. This humble Korean Hyundai is just climbing with absolute ease. Getting the X-Pulse here would be a lot of fun. Maybe once my X-Pulse is ready for Spiti, I'll do a trial run and get it here to see if the AFR issue has been sorted out. अरे तो बहुत अच्छी रोड है चलाने के लिए. हमारा गांव वहाँ है.
टॉप में वो जंगल दिख रहा है ना, उसके ऊपर दिख रहा है.
उसके उस तरफ है. अच्छा. So obviously the GoPro is not pointed to the left, it's fixed in a single direction, but there's a mountain across the valley, and our village, our native village is across that mountain. Anyway, climbing. I'm really liking this, man. This will be fun on a bike. This will definitely be fun on a motorcycle. Let's get the X-Pulse here soon. Very, very soon. हरीश भैया, आप इसी रास्ते की बात कर रहे थे जब आप कह रहे थे कि वो टूटा रास्ता आता है. अच्छा. और ये लंबा है क्या ऐसे टूटा हुआ, या अब ऐसे ही है?
आगे तक है.
अच्छा, ऐसे ही है. सही है.
बीच में थोड़ा सही मिलेगा.
अच्छा. अभी कितना 10 किलोमीटर और होगा?
हाँ, इतना होगा.
अच्छा, सही है. ये क्या व्यू लेने के लिए खड़े हैं यहाँ पे? ये किसी ड्राइवर की गाड़ी होगी ना,
किसी गाँव.
हाँ. स्पॉट भी अच्छा है, वो रास्ता नहीं रोक रहा. I think with tarmac everywhere, these are the only roads left that I can find which are no roads. This will be fun on a bike. This will be so much fun on a small X-Pulse with the rally kit, knobby tires. आप कुछ बोल रहे हो?
नहीं.
अच्छा. Guys, we started this drive at 5 in the morning. It's 4:32 in the evening now. We've been on the road 11 hours. That's because it's a Saturday today, and around Rishikesh you have white water rafting. So the kind of traffic jam that you encounter at that place now. So we were stuck in traffic for about 4 hours. Yeah, 4 solid hours in traffic, and that was a harrowing experience. Tomorrow when we go back, we're not going to take that route. We will go through the other route. So we came via Rishikesh. We're going to go through go back via Kotdwar. So people have built these private garages over here for their scooters and motorcycles and cars. Man, this is a nice drive up. Again, sun in the eyes. Probably the camera would be overexposed right now, the outside view. Oh wow, the view downstairs is stunning. It's beautiful to look at. What a route, man. कितने किलोमीटर रह गया होगा? 10 मिनट का रास्ता, 15 मिनट का रास्ता, 20 more minutes. I think then if we have to cover 20 more minutes, and this is a very upar. We have to cover. Well, I think from the top of the mountain where you descend and then you start climbing. So from the top of that mountain to the top of the mountain where the temple is, I think I was told that it's about 19 kilometers. That's a good enough length to go down a mountain and then keep climbing up. And remember, it's not as if, you know, you'll reach the temple and then you just be there. You'll have to come back. So that's a solid 38-40 kilometers that you'll have to do. Mostly dirt, you know, left, right. Left.
Head northwest, then sharp left.
Okay, so now some tarmac.
It is 9.2 kilometer, 26 minutes.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Alright, so now it seems like normal and now we can be in automatic. Yeah, I don't think this is the very exciting part. I let the camera roll till it rolls. The battery was low. When I started this video, it was about 25%, so it might run out anytime soon. If it runs out, it runs out. I'm just going to try and upload this video raw. Again, you know, the car is suffering. I'll have to be in auto. Sorry, in the manual mode. Probably keep it in second. Let's see. Yeah, we are in third right now. It feels fine in third here. Once the revs start to climb, it's okay. But if they're under 2000, it feels fairly dead. Yeah, 2500 or so, it's alright. I'll have to drop to second. Okay. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Danda Nagraja, 9 kilometers. Third. Second. Nice.
In 300 meters, turn right.
अब तो बंद कर दो, अब तो मुझे पता है.
एक रास्ता ऊपर एक जगह पे नहीं है
तो पता चल ही जाएगा.